Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing my August Boxycharm. My August Boxycharm, everyone. I got this awesome eye look, this full face, using everything in August's box. If you want to hear my thoughts, my opinions, and what I got in my box, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys back here on the channel. I'm almost at 100 subs, and I'd love to reach my 100 sub goal by the end of August. We're almost there. Help your girl out. Hit the sub button. Also, don't forget to follow my social medias. They're in the description box down below. Enjoy watching the video, and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you got in your box. Was it the same? Was it different? What do you guys think of the products? Keep on watching, and you'll see my thoughts on my August Boxycharm. Okay, now that we got my hair pulled out of the way, let's talk about the first item in the box. It is this Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam by Pure Heals. Looks like this. It says it's a premium charcoal and oriental botanical ingredients help cleanse the sebum and skin waste. Pine needle extracts. And it is $24, so let's see. Oh, it's just like really sleek looking packaging. Obviously can't test this today, but I'm always on board for a new cleanser, so this is exciting. My boyfriend will love that. The next thing in this box is Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. Looks like this, and I have had this before. It is just this little tube of eyeshadow primer. I'm actually going to put this on because we do have an eyeshadow palette in this box. So I'm just going to dab it on my lids. It feels kind of greasy and like slippy. And it says this cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application, and it is $20. So let's see if it does what it says it's going to do. It still feels a little sticky. Hopefully it keeps my eyeshadow on today. Who knows though. Next, this was interesting to see in here. This video is moving. We're moving along in this video. Morphe Brushes. So I was really interested to see this. Not that Morphe is super luxe or anything like that, but I'll always take an eyeshadow brush, you know what I'm saying? And it comes with 4 brushes here. It comes with a fluffy blender, a small dense blender. There's no names on these. Like an angled eyeliner and a flat like packer brush. Feel alright. Just alright. And it's their I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection. This is only $12. So I don't know. So far hasn't been the most expensive box. There's a couple more products here I'll have to check the price for, but so far the price on this one's kind of low. But it says, oh, these babes, just 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes. You need to pull off a gorgeous looks. I mean, we'll test them out when we use the eyeshadow today, so I guess we'll let you know. Next is this. This is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, and I almost died when I saw I was getting this because I have the Essentials 1 right here, and you can clearly see she's been used and abused, and I'm so excited to get the sister palette to this, and it looks like it's going to be pinks and blues. Haven't opened it up yet, but based on this, I'm really excited because purples are my favorite. So, and I'm glad, you know, like a follow-up to this guy. This is our beautiful like formula. So these two together is like my dreams. Look at these beautiful shades. Look at these. You know this bottom row right here, or I guess, oh, I'm holding it upside down. This right here is calling my name. Ooh, I can't wait to get these on my eyes. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do that right now. I mean, you know, I have to use this blue color. I'm gonna use this blue color. This blue color, Blue Sky. Well, that blue is beautiful and very easy to use, like literally blended like a dream. The brushes are right. There are some shedding. That happens with Morphe brushes. They're not the highest quality of brushes, but it worked great. All for nothing, it worked fine. Let's see what these purples have. They're both kind of iridescent-y. So I think what I'm going to do first, before I put it down, I'm going to cut the whole eyelid, the crease. I'm going to cut the whole thing. Be right back. Be right back. Okay, now that my crease is cut, I'm going to go in with the purple. Now, I'm trying to erase the light here, so I'm going to go a little fast. Going in with the dark purple, not going to really talk through it. Like I said, I'm trying to erase the natural light. So let me get this on for you. I look literally insane right now. Bear with me. Bear with me. Here we go. Let's do it. So far, love the palette. Let's go. Woo! Well, this looks absolutely beautiful. So now I can't decide if I want to go in with this rose gold color on the front or this purple. All right, I'm going to try the light purple. I'm just afraid it's going to look too similar to the other purple on the lid. But let's see. Listen, y'all, I got the color switch in my box last month, and it's the best thing I've ever received. Actually, no. All right, let me do this. I'm racing the clock here, as I said, and I still have to finish this up. So I'm going to rush to do this, and I'll be right back. Okay, this eye look is absolutely stunning. Loved, like, I'm breaking stuff. Literally love this palette. It is beautiful. It works beautifully. I used Blue Sky, Blue Violet, Wild Orchid, and Rose Gold. I put right over Wild Orchid, and I love my eye look. I love this, and together these are a beautiful duo. So excited to have this. This is my favorite thing in the box, like no doubt. Okay, so the last thing in the box is this QMS Active Glow Tinted Daily Cream. It looks like this, and this was $105. So this must be where the value of the box comes from. But it says a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins helps blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. Let's try it on. My face is primed, and this looks kind of dark. I don't know. On camera, it's not looking too dark, but it is shooting out everywhere. That I don't like. I have ruined so many clothes doing makeup. Okay, you see how, I guess it's not coming off as dark on camera. It is definitely darker than my skin tone, but as I'm blending it out, it's not looking that dark. Okay, on camera, it's not too dark. In person, I could not wear this out. So it might be one of those foundations I just use for filming, because it's so lightweight, and I wish it did come in the right color, because it is so lightweight and it would be perfect for summertime. I am going to put the rest of my face on. I'm talking everything else. We'll come back and we'll talk about my final thoughts on the box and the products in it. Be right back. Okay, so sadly I did have to switch to artificial light. So I hope that the change in lighting is not too bad. But let's talk about this box. So it goes without saying, the best item in this box is this Essentials 2 palette by Violet Voss. Beautiful packaging, beautiful colors. Love the packaging, love the brand, love the original. So happy to get this in the box. This was an amazing item to get in the box, and I love it. Best thing in the box by far. Got me this awesome eye look. Not something I normally wear or, really wear to Target on a random night of the week, but love it nonetheless. Let's discuss this. It is too dark for my skin. Is there a shade on here? Let's see. There's no shade on here, and I'm wondering if it comes in one shade. It looks fine on camera, but my skin in person is pretty dark. And it says it does color change, so I waited a little while. It's still pretty dark. So this might be like a filming only kind of product where I can't wear this outside. It is too dark. So don't like this. The high price tag is really, really good to get in here, but because of this high price tag, I feel like my other products kind of lacked, and I can't even wear this out and about. So least favorite product by far is this QMS Active Glow Tinted Face Cream. I'm indifferent about this. I have it already. It's alright. Nothing super fun there. Love getting brushes always. So these Morphe brushes, I think it was cool to get. Never going to complain about brushes ever. I think I've said that before in my videos, that I will take brushes at all times because everyone needs them. It's one of those things where I'm always going to need it, so I'm not going to complain about getting it. Wish there wasn't this angled liner brush in here though. Don't like that at all. And I'm sure I will love this pure pore clear black charcoal foaming cleanser. I just haven't got the chance to use it yet, so I'll keep this. I'll update this in the description box down below to let you guys know my thoughts on this. But all in all, I thought this was an okay box. It was probably the lowest price tag on a box I've seen in a long time. So that's kind of disappointing, but the products are fine. Nothing super spectacular. Like I said, love the eyeshadow palette. Would buy that on its own, so I'm really glad that I didn't have to, and it's in this box. But other than that, the products were just kind of okay. Not a bad box though. Not complaining. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. That is the end of this August Boxycharm review. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I'm trying to get 100 subs by the end of August. We're very close, so click the like button, subscribe, share me around. Help your girl out. I'm almost at my goal. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.